Central venous catheter, CVC, also known as a central line, is a thin, flexible tube inserted into a large vein, typically in the neck, chest, or groin. The catheter is then advanced until its tip rests in one of the large veins in the chest, such as the superior vena cava or right atrium. Purpose of a central venous catheter. CVCs are used for various medical purposes, including long-term intravenous therapy, administering fluids, medications, blood products, or nutrients over an extended period. Rapid fluid administration, delivering large volumes of fluids quickly in emergency situations. Blood sampling, drawing blood for laboratory tests. Measuring central venous pressure, CVP, monitoring blood pressure in the central veins, which can help assess fluid status and heart function. Types of central venous catheters. There are several types of CVCs, including single lumen catheter, has one opening for fluid administration or blood sampling. Double lumen catheter, has two openings for administering different fluids or medications simultaneously. Triple lumen catheter, has three openings for administering multiple fluids or medications. Insertion procedure. The insertion of a CVC is a sterile procedure performed by a healthcare professional. It typically involves 1. Skin preparation. The insertion site is cleaned with an antiseptic solution. 2. Local anesthesia. Local anesthesia is administered to numb the area. 3. Venipuncture. A needle is inserted into the vein. 4. Catheter insertion. The catheter is threaded through the needle and advanced into the central vein under imaging guidance, ultrasound or fluoroscopy. 5. Needle removal. The needle is removed, leaving the catheter in place. 6. Securement. The catheter is secured to the skin with sterile tape or sutures. Post-insertion care. Regular dressing changes to prevent infection. Monitoring for complications, such as infection, bleeding, or pneumothorax. Proper catheter care to maintain patency and prevent complications. Important note: CVC insertion is a complex procedure that should only be performed by trained healthcare professionals. If you have any questions or concerns about CVCs, consult with your doctor or a healthcare provider.